the attorneys for Amber Heard declined to appear in the newest Discovery Plus documentary about her case against Johnny Depp. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor filed a defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife in relation to an opinion piece she published in The Washington Post in 2018. Despite not mentioning the actor by name, the star of Aquaman spoke in the article about her experience as a prey to domestic abuse. Her team said that this implied that the actor had physically and sexually abused her throughout their relationship. This past Tuesday, the platform debuted a two-part episode that explores the contentious 6-week-long court case and has never before seen images of the judges involved. The first episode focused on Johnny and included several interviews with his legal team, including his attorneys Ben Chew and Camille Vasquez. However, in the second episode that explores Heard's history, his attorneys, led by Ben Rottenborn and Elaine Bredehoft, decided not to share their opinions. Soon after the opening credits, a message with the following text appeared: Amber Heard's legal counsel declined to take part in this movie. His story will be told by professionals who covered the trial. Images from the courtroom's archives were used in their place, and the well-known attorney Lisa Bloom, who did not represent any of the parties, joined reporters and subject matter experts to discuss the case. After Hollywood star Amber Heard lost a previous lawsuit for defamation against The Sun in the United Kingdom for calling him a misogynist when Heard's accusations of maltreatment were made public, this was Johnny's final data dump, one last chance to tell the world that he did not physically or sexually abuse his ex-wife. My job was to make it clear to the judge that the defendant wanted to restore his reputation. Ben Chew told the camera in the first section that he did it so that his children wouldn't have to live with the reputation that their father was a domestic abuser or a sexual predator. For him, it was all. Following the Washington Post article, Johnny Depp demanded $50 million from Amber Heard and denied all allegations of abuse. In response, Amber Heard demanded $100 million and claimed that Johnny Depp had launched a campaign of revenge against her and had accused her of lying. After a drawn-out process, the jury decided in favor of the Pirates of the Caribbean actor and awarded him little over $10 million, while also awarding Amber $2 million, but he also gave Amber $2 million for winning one of her counter-demand as cargoes. Both parties have returned to the verdict. In response to the decision to move forward with the case, Lisa Bloom confirmed, Ella didn't name him. No specific abuse incidents was mentioned. What was discussed was how difficult it has been to serve as a spokesperson for domestic abuse and all of the responses she has faced. It greatly surprised me that she would only ask for that article. Why an idiot? Johnny Depp has a lot of money, so if he's bothered by something, he can hire lawyers who may cost him millions of dollars. Someone like Amber Heard actually needs to fight to maintain their weak position. In response to the overwhelmingly negative feedback Amber received on social media, while the legal case was being developed, he said, ironically, last instance demonstrates the truth of Amber Heard's original article, which is fundamentally, Habel de la violencia domestica y paga un precio for ello.